Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville and we're going to give you an update on the construction going on at the Garden Hotel in Mandeville. Now as you know, the highway currently goes from Kingston to Mandeville, so this has opened up Mandeville to a lot of investment. And Mandeville is also the largest town in central Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here at this hotel. The Garden Hotel in Mandeville is emerging as one of the most notable hospitality redevelopments in Jamaica's south central region. Nestled in the cool, elevated town of Mandeville, the project aims to restore and modernize one of the area's traditional lodging sites, transforming it into a refreshed destination for business and leisure travelers. Currently under renovation and reconstruction, the Garden Hotel is being prepared for a 2025 reopening, marking its return to the tourism and hospitality landscape of Manchester. The redevelopment focuses on upgrading guest accommodations, dining spaces, and conference facilities, with an emphasis on blending modern comfort with the natural tranquility for which Mandeville is known. The hotel's name itself reflects its lush settings, surrounded by greenery and offering a serene retreat from Jamaica's coastal bustle. The new Garden Hotel is positioned to serve a diverse clientele: business professionals attending regional meetings, families seeking quiet getaways, and travelers exploring Jamaica's interior attractions such as the nearby coffee plantations, hike trails, and historic estates. Its revitalization comes at a time when Mandeville is undergoing wider economic and infrastructural growth, with new commercial and residential projects reshaping the town's character. From an economic standpoint, the project is expected to generate employment opportunities during and after construction, boosting local livelihoods and supporting surrounding businesses. The reopening also reinforces efforts to diversify Jamaica's tourism offerings beyond the North Coast, promoting investment in the island's interior towns. In essence, the reconstruction of the Garden Hotel is both a symbol of renewal and a strategic investment in Mandeville's future. Once reopened, it will not only restore a familiar landmark but also strengthen the town's reputation as Jamaica's leading upland destination, one that combines heritage, charm, and modern hospitality. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.